It was a fateful February night when Carrie Burton was killed. Go. Unfortunately, Carrie was knocked unconscious by the monkey. Braden and the monkey were charged with homicide and sentenced to 5 years in jail. For our next guest, we have Carrie Burton, survivor of the monkey attack. It's great to be here. Nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you too. So, can you kind of tell us the story and what happened and all?
Oh, it was very tragic. I was sitting at my once what I thought to be a good friend, Braden's kitchen table. I was giving her some coffee and she all of a sudden started hurting me and knocked me to the ground. It hurt very bad. We started fighting with silver kitchen utensils and it just got worse from there. She set her pet monkey on me. That was the most painful experience of my life.
So how does this make you feel? It was fateful. It was a fateful February night when Carrie. It was a fateful February night when Carrie Burton. It all started as a friendly gathering. Yeah. It all started as a friendly gathering. For our next guest, we have Carrie Burton, survivor of the killing. Survivor of the killing. For our next guest, we have Carrie Burton, survivor of the monkey attack.
Crap, we had to drink some coffee. And that was tragic, isn't it? Just makes you want to cry. And I'm sorry that hurt.
So, is that working?